Welcome back to my pizza channel. It's the Pizza Guy John, and I just got up and I feel like making a pizza. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's get the coffee going, and we're gonna go ahead and get the ingredients out that we're gonna be using today, and the dough actually as well. And the ingredients that we're gonna be using is gonna be some chopped ham. We got some thick cut bacon and some sausage, which we're gonna go ahead and pre-cook both of these ingredients. That way we get some nice crispy bacon on top, as well as some meat. We got our dough here, which is a 70% hydration dough and 50% Polish, which I took out 24 hours prior, so the day before. So now I'll let this rest at room temp. Sharp cheddar cheese, and then we'll get the egg out here in a bit. While this is all out, we'll go ahead and get the oven preheated for 30 minutes. We'll get our coffee going, and then we'll get everything cooked. Now that the oven's been preheating for about 30 minutes, during that time and off camera, I have now prepped my ingredients. As you can see here, during that time, I cooked the bacon, and also chopped that up so it's gonna be nice and crispy bacon. I also did the sausage, which I also cut and then cut into cut it into four. Also, I just basically chopped up the ham into a couple of pieces and also prepped my coffee. So let's go ahead and take a look at the oven first. We need our coffee. That will wake you up. So let's go and take a look at the oven. Like I said, it's been on now for 30 minutes. And so right in the center, we're looking at about 906, 900. So let's go ahead and get this pizza cooked. All right, so we have our dough here. Like I said, it is a Polish at 50% Polish at 70% hydration. Again, this was made a couple weeks ago to a month ago. Froze it, put it in the freezer. So again, whenever you want to make pizza and you just want to do one pizza, perfect. Whenever you freeze pizza, use leftover dough. I definitely can make a video and show you how I do that. So basically what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're just gonna get this flopped into our semolina here. So remember which is the top, and we'll go ahead and get it out here. Get that flipped over, and that was looking really good, still pretty airy. So it's been out now for about an hour. So it's at room temp, it's not cold or anything like that. It's about 260 gram dough balls. Wow. So let's get that. I'll go too big. All right, and basically since it's not gonna have any sauce, let's go ahead and get some of this off here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and let's get a little layer of cheese on the base. And this is just sharp cheddar cheese. So let's just get a little bit there. All right. And then let's go ahead and we'll get our ham now. And just kind of get that on here. You can do as much as you want, a little less, whatever. And let's get a couple more pieces. Okay, and we'll go ahead and let's get some of the sausage here that I've cooked. Right. Okay, and we'll get some more bacon and kind of just get this all over as well. Okay. And you want to have room in the center for your egg, so let's go ahead and get our egg cracked right in the center here, which is perfect. And what we'll do now at this point, like I said, we'll go ahead and let's get some more cheese on top. So basically like an omelet. All right, and so that looks perfect. We got everything on there. Let's go ahead and get it straight onto the pill and straight to the oven. So let's go ahead. All right, perfect. So let's get that there and onto the oven. All right, so we'll go ahead and get this oven now turned down. And we'll let that cook. So you can see the cheese is already starting to melt. So we'll give that. And the egg should probably cook pretty quick, which is going to be nice. Kind of give it an over easy egg. And so let's go ahead and let's get this spun around. And yeah, I guess from here I can see the egg already kind of cooking down a little bit, turning white. You can smell the bacon, you can smell the ham. See that crust crisping up, bottom cooking nicely, so we'll go ahead and spin it one more time. And comment down below if you've done a breakfast pizza and what toppings you put on there. So we'll go ahead and finish this off here. And that's looking good, so let's go ahead and get this inside. Actually, let's go ahead and cook the side a little bit more right here. A little bit thicker crust. All right. Perfect. So I think this pizza looks good. Let's go ahead and get this inside. As you can see, the egg is nice and white, so it's going to be nice and runny in the center. Let's get it on here and we'll let it cool and then we'll get a cut of it. All right, so here you go. Here's the pizza. Let's go ahead and let's get some flaky salt on here for the egg. Also some crushed black pepper. And then I have some olive oil here, which is just basically an Italian herb. So let's go ahead and let's just get a little drizzle of that on here as well. Perfect. So let's go ahead and get this cut. As you can see, the egg is nice and soft, which is going to be runny. So let's go ahead and let's get some egg on here. And there's that. So let's get a little bit of egg. As you can see, it's going to be really runny, which is totally fine. But let's go ahead and get some egg on here. Really good. Crispy bacon, you get some of that sausage, the sweetness from the sausage, you get the runniness from the egg, the cheddar cheese. Just a perfect pizza. So again, if you like what you see, like and subscribe to my videos. Let me know down below in the comments of what type of breakfast pizza you tried. And again, follow me on Instagram at the Pizza Guy John. Thank you and have a good one.